In this video, I'll show you how we can use bottom navigation in Material UI React. So it's pretty simple. So we need to use two components here. One is called bottom navigation. So let me import it. So it will import it from this Material UI code, the bottom navigation, and another component we need to import, it's called bottom navigation action. So the second one, okay, so it imported both. So here we can give this bottom navigation. Let me copy this one. Okay, so inside this bottom navigation component we need to use this action. So this action is used to show these icons. So we can add as many actions as we want. So let me add these 4 actions here. We can also give one level. So suppose it is first, and the second one it is second. It's not showing because we need to add one icon here. Okay, search for Material UI icons. So from here we can get our icons. Suppose I want to use this access alarm. Okay, now I can use these icons in this navigation action component. So I need to use icon, and here I can pass this. So let me copy this one. Similarly, I can put icon for each one of these. Now if I restart it, then you can see that it is showing this navigation component. But if I'm clicking it, it's not changing because we need to maintain the state. So for that we can give one value here. So if I give the value as 0, then it keeps selected the first one. So it starts from 0. I can also change the style using the style property. If I give it, so let me give one width here. Suppose it is 300, then it changes to 300. Let me change it to 400. Yes. So if we want to change it on click, then we need to maintain one state. So let me create one value selected and set selected to change it. Then we can use this use state hook, and I'm giving it as value 0. So I can put this value as selected, and also we can use this on change. So here I'll get this value and new value. So I can set the new value as the current our selected current selected. So I can pass this new value here. So now if I click on any of these items, then you can see that that items got selected. Also we can hide these levels. Currently the other levels are hidden, only the selected one is here. So if I use show levels, then it will show the levels for all of these items. So this is a quick tutorial on bottom navigation component. So if you love this, please like and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, please drop one comment below. Thanks, bye.